I'm Jennifer and I'm so excited you're here because today I'm going to be making a super easy recipe for coconut macaroons. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe. I'll have this recipe listed below. For this recipe, I have a half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 1/3 cup of sweetened shredded coconut, 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 2 large egg whites, which is about 5 to 6 tablespoons. My grocery store was out of liquid egg whites, so I'm just using regular liquid eggs. I'm going to preheat my oven to 325. In a small bowl, I'm going to combine the shredded coconut, sugar, flour, and salt. I'll mix these up. Now I'll add in the egg whites or liquid eggs and the vanilla. I'll mix it well. If it's too runny and watery, go ahead and add in some more coconut until it's just a little bit drier. Once you have the mix the consistency you want, go ahead and scoop it out by the spoonfuls and drop it onto a greased pan or a lined pan. Now we'll go ahead and put these in the oven. We'll bake these for 18 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown. We'll want to cool these on a wire rack. These macaroons turned out so nice and they're so delicious and chewy. I just cannot believe how easy they are to make. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.